How to delete your YouTube account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to get rid of your YouTube account without affecting your Google account, stick around and watch this video till the end. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, simply go to Google account settings and head over to Data and Privacy tab. Now here, simply scroll down and find the section titled Data from Apps and Services You Use. And once you have found that, simply tap on Apps and Services and then select Delete a Service. And now after that, it will take you to the page where you can manage services linked to your Google account. So here, choose delete a Google service and next tap on the trash bin icon next to YouTube. And now to confirm, you will be asked to sign in to your Google account again. And once you are in, simply check the option that says I want to permanently delete my content. Tick all the check boxes shown on the screen and then hit delete my content. You may need to enter your email address one more time for confirmation, and that's it. Now after that, your YouTube account will be deleted, but your Google account will remain active. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.